Here's everything you need to know about AI SEO marketing. The largest search engines in the world are Google, YouTube, Instagram, X, Twitter, ChatGPT, Bing, and Yahoo. AI is changing the way we search for things. Now, people are clicking less into websites and instead relying on AI search engines. I'm going to teach you how to rank your business for your targeted keywords. The first thing you want to do is figure out what keywords you should even rank for. Now, there's two ways that we recommend that you can do this. The first is to actually run paid ads on popular platforms using the keyword that you think people will be searching for in order to purchase from you. The second way is to actually ask your targeted customers themselves. You can do this multiple ways by going to events and conferences in your targeted niche. And what you could do is ask these potential customers in your own words, if you are searching for your business, what keywords would you type into the search? So now this can be done on popular social media platforms or even on Google and ChatGPT themselves. And then you should also ask the question, what are the biggest problems you're facing today at your business? And so they'll share with you. They'll share with you these problems that they're looking for solutions for. And then that's how you can create content for your business to slowly educate them and pull them into your solution. You also want to ask them questions such as, what questions would you have before purchasing your product or service? So if people are exploring, they want to know certain features or specifications about what it is that you do, you need to make sure those are all displayed on the web page. And lastly, you want to ask them, what social proof or testimonials would you like to see people talking about before purchasing your product or your service? So let's use an example on this. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and I'm going to show you how people would search for car insurance. So say, for example, we would say, figure out what keywords you need to rank for. And if you're a car insurance company, it would be car insurance or how to buy car insurance or how to get in a quote for insurance. The more specific and targeted your keywords are, the better. And so as you mentioned, we would ask the question to your targeted customer, if you were looking for our business on Google, what would you type in? And maybe your potential customer is going to say this, I'm looking for the cheapest car insurance in California for my exotic car. And so if you know that that is your targeted keyword because they're searching for that, go ahead and create content around that. And you can see AI here is now giving you specific results based on finding car insurance or the cheapest car insurance in California for your exotic car. And then what you can do is create really valuable content around that. So you can see here that Progressive is doing a great job. Insurance for sports cars, exotic and luxury cars. And it's very specific as opposed to creating an article about just car insurance. No, you want to get very hyper specific. And again, this works for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Reddit, these popular forums. AI is now doing a great job of summarizing an article like this and displaying the results on these AI search engines. And so now what we also are going to be asking the customers is, what questions do you have before purchasing exotic car insurance in California? Now that's where you want to take this content and you want to make sure those frequently asked questions are answered in your content. And the Google search engine algorithm, as well as the AI search engine algorithm, is going to see how people interact with your website, how long they stay on there, and to make sure that it's a great user experience. And when you give them a great user experience, Google will rank you at the top. And so other things that you can do to rank on these popular search engines is to see how they're currently ranking the listings. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to I typed in, show me the best car insurance. Again, this works for any industry, any product, whether you're selling vacuum cleaners, whether you're selling home and garden, healthcare, FinTech, you name it. You could just say, show me the best financial platform for retirement savings. And what ChatGPT is going to do here is that they're going to give you a list. Now, what's very important and what you can do to rank at the top of these search engines is to click here to the sources and citations. So you can see here that it's citing Policy Genius, autoinsurance.com, US News, NerdWallet, and more. So what we do here is you can actually create a spreadsheet list of every single one of these outlets and reach out to them, asking them to include you in their list. So I'm going to show you here, policygenius.com. And let's say that you're a business owner. Your goal is to reach out to Rachel and Andrew and to get them to mention you in this list, because that is how these AI search engines are determining who is going to be ranked. So I'm going to show you the exact template that we use here at CrowdCreate for reaching out. Now, comment in the video section below if you would like access to this free spreadsheet and template on how you can get ranked at the top of these AI search engines. So here's what we do. You're going to take this spreadsheet, you're going to populate it with the first name, the last name, the LinkedIn profile, the X, Twitter, Instagram profile of the personal person, right? As I mentioned, their email address, and also the article. You want to list the podcast or article title here. Again, this works not just for articles, but also for podcasts, also for social media posts. You name it. If they're on Facebook or any of these social media platforms, you can use the same strategy. And now what you're going to do is that you're going to actually reach out to these people. And in this case, it would be Rachel and Andrew, and say, hey, Rachel, hi, Andrew. I'm a huge fan of this article that you created on the best car insurance in California. Go ahead and introduce yourself. Go ahead and mention why you should be included, or even ask about sponsorship rates. And when you sponsor these articles, often called advertorials, that's another way that search engines can ideally recognize what you do. And that is the strategy on how to rank on the first page of these AI search engines. Another thing that you can also do when you are creating these landing pages is to insert some kind of value, ideally in the form of this: compare rates and shop affordable car insurance today. Now, this is the lead hook. And so other things that you can do is give away a free consultation, give away free industry guide, free demo, free newsletter sign up, links to other episodes, or in this case, to get a car insurance quote. And that is how you can turn a visitor into a potential warm lead and hopefully into a potential customer. So again, this is how you rank on AI search engines. If you have any tips or strategies yourself that you're using to rank on these, go ahead and comment in the video below, and hope you found this helpful. Thanks.